Hello everyone, today we will be looking on the best accounting software in 2025. Sage 50 versus Xero versus QuickBooks. From my perspective, every small business should use accounting software to stay on top of all bookkeeping activities. Managing finances efficiently is crucial for business success, and the right tools can make a significant difference. As someone who runs multiple micro and small businesses, I have tested dozens of bookkeeping and accounting tools to streamline the way my team handles daily accounting and financial tasks. Among the leading small business accounting solutions, three names consistently stand out: QuickBooks, Xero, and Sage 50. My focus in this comparative guide is to help you familiarize yourself with these three software options, understand their strengths and weaknesses, and ultimately determine which one best suits your small business needs as we move into 2025 and beyond. So, with that quick note, let's dive into this QuickBooks versus Xero versus Sage 50 comparative guide for small businesses. One of the most common questions small business owners ask is, which accounting software is right for my business? The answer depends on various factors, and this guide will help break it down for you. We will explore what Xero, QuickBooks, and Sage 50 are, their positioning in the online accounting space, their similarities and key differences, and the advantages and drawbacks of each platform. We will then compare their pricing structures, available add-ons, and my personal recommendations based on small business characteristics. To begin, Xero and how it stands in the current market. Xero is a New Zealand-based cloud accounting software designed for small and medium-sized business across the globe. It is known for its smooth and modern interface, focusing on reducing time-intensive accounting tasks such as data entry, invoicing, and payment processing. One of Xero's standout features is bank-level security, ensuring data integrity and protection. On the other hand, QuickBooks developed by Intuit is another powerful accounting software tailored for small to medium-sized businesses. Intuit is a well-established financial and business management company, and QuickBooks is its flagship accounting product. QuickBooks Online, its cloud-based offering, provides essential bookkeeping features such as income and expense tracking, invoicing, and online payments. Additionally, QuickBooks offers more advanced features beyond accounting, including inventory management, project tracking, and time management tools that integrate seamlessly with bookkeeping activities. Now, let's introduce Sage 50. Sage 50 is another prominent accounting software that has been in the market for decades. Known for its robust and scalable accounting capabilities, unlike Xero and QuickBooks, which are predominantly cloud-based, Sage 50 offers both cloud and desktop-based solutions, making it a strong choice for businesses that require local software installations with cloud capabilities. Sage 50 provides essential bookkeeping features like invoicing, bank reconciliation, and financial reporting, as well as advanced features such as inventory management, payroll, and job costing. It is particularly popular among businesses that the hybrid approach to accounting, offering the flexibility of online access with the security of desktop-based accounting. Now, let's explore the similarities and key differences between Xero, QuickBooks, and Sage 50. All three platforms provide cloud-based accessibility, income and expense tracking, automated invoicing capabilities. They also allow for bank reconciliation and financial reporting, with additional tools to manage business accounting efficiently. However, there are notable differences that set them apart. Xero offers a higher level of online security with app authentication features. Another significant advantage of Xero is that it allows businesses to add unlimited users at no additional cost, whereas QuickBooks and Sage 50 restrict the number of users based on the pricing plan. Sage 50 differs from Xero and QuickBooks in that it provides a more traditional accounting approach, making it a preferred choice for businesses that require offline functionality alongside cloud accessibility. It also offers more advanced reporting tools and customization options for larger businesses with complex accounting needs. QuickBooks, on the other hand, enables users to send invoices via WhatsApp, a particularly useful feature in regions where business transactions are commonly conducted through the messaging app, such as Southeast Asia. While all three platforms support inventory and project management, QuickBooks provides more extensive features in these areas, whereas Xero focuses on simplicity and user-friendliness. Sage 50 is best suited for businesses that need advanced financial management features, including industry-specific accounting capabilities. Both Xero, QuickBooks, and Sage 50 have modern, user-friendly interfaces, making them accessible to business owners and accountants alike. While opinions on their usability vary, I find Xero to be slightly more intuitive, modern, and easier to use, particularly for individuals who are new to accounting software. QuickBooks is straightforward, but it takes time to master. Sage 50, while powerful, has a steeper learning curve due to its advanced capabilities, making it more suitable for experienced accountants or businesses that require a high level of financial control. Next, let's examine the pricing structures of Xero, QuickBooks, and Sage 50. Xero offers 3 to 4 pricing plans depending on the country of operation, while QuickBooks Online provides 4 plans. Sage 50 follows a different pricing model, offering tiered subscriptions based on the number of users and features required. Overall, Xero tends to be more affordable, offering better value for small businesses that need straightforward accounting solutions. Sage 50, while more expensive, is well suited for businesses with more complex accounting needs, such as those requiring multi-user access and advanced financial reporting. Xero, QuickBooks Online, and Sage 50, the best online accounting solution for your small business depends on your specific needs, business size, and workload preferences. Xero is an excellent choice for sole traders, solopreneurs, and micro businesses, as well as small to medium-sized businesses. It offers an intuitive interface, strong automation features, and seamless bank reconciliation, making it ideal for businesses that need a simple yet powerful cloud-based accounting solution. QuickBooks Online, on the other hand, is well suited for businesses that require a balance between bookkeeping and operational tools. With advanced expense tracking, invoicing, payroll integration, and tax features. Meanwhile, Sage 50 is designed for larger and more complex businesses that require comprehensive accounting features, inventory management, and offline access. It is particularly beneficial for businesses that deal with detailed financial reporting, multi-user access, and industry-specific needs. To conclude, all 3 platforms, Sage 50, Xero, and QuickBooks, are excellent choices for small business accounting, each offering unique features to suit different needs. Sage 50 provides robust desktop-based accounting with advanced capabilities. Xero stands out for its user-friendly cloud-based solutions, and QuickBooks delivers comprehensive tools for businesses of all sizes. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your business requirements, budget, and preference for cloud or desktop software. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. And that is all there is on best accounting software in 2025. Sage 50 versus Xero versus QuickBooks. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.